For the celibate, the widowed, and those who are single, you may not have those vaginal dryness or vaginal pain, but you may experience urinary symptoms because your urinary bladder is still found within the vaginal canal, and that is very close to the vaginal opening. And therefore, if that area is also dry and atrophies, it will also affect your urinary bladder. And that is why you have urinary symptoms. You have burning sensation. So, because of the lack of estrogen, you have that burning sensation, you have loss of bladder control, you're unable to hold your urine, you have discomfort in passing urine. Take note, you don't have a UTI. You may have the frequency and the urgency. Urogenital problems are very common in menopause women, but only 40% of women in the late perimenopause will only consult their doctors. They will always have a urine test. Sasabihin nila, naku, nagka-UTI ako ulit. I have a UTI. The reason is, it's because it is dry.